So you have set up your NBFC, got the business registered with the RBI, and started your lending operations. Now what? You must have a vision of taking your NBFC to unparalleled heights. However, lack of right operational strategy and idea regarding what to do next can act as a roadblock in your expansion plans. Hi, my name is Shivi Gupta, and in this video series, I will be talking about the different channels you can opt for to expand your NBFC into the next big name in the BFSI sector. This video is dedicated to the topic of how to turn your NBFC into a bank. So let's get into it and see the requirements and roadblock needed to achieve this. When it comes to expanding an NBFC into a bank, the different options include conversion into a commercial bank, a small finance bank, and payments bank. The first option we will discuss in this video is conversion of NBFC into a commercial bank. Once the NBFC has achieved a sufficient loan book, expanded its paid up capital, and set up its lending operations nationwide, one of the best next steps for it is to turn itself into a commercial bank. Let's also understand first what a bank exactly means. A banking activity is regulated under Section 5 of the Banking Regulations Act of 1949. Any company which is formed or established for the objective of lending or executing any form of investment in the form of money, money deposits, and that which is repayable when asked by the public or on demand is categorized as a bank. However, not just any NBFC can convert into a bank. Only those NBFCs that have met the RBI set criteria can choose this option. So let's understand what are the set benchmarks that your NBFC needs to meet if you wish to turn your operations from non-banking to banking. First, your NBFC's minimum paid up capital must be at least Rs 200 crores, which must further be increased to Rs 300 crores within the next 3 years of operations. Further, the contribution by the promoters must be at least 40% of the paid up money, and such capital must be locked in a bank account for 5 years. The company also needs to maintain the capital adequacy ratio between 8 to 10%. Not only that, the NBFC must set up at least 25 to 30% of its operations in rural or semi-rural areas. You must now be wondering what exactly will you gain by turning your NBFC into a bank. One of the primary benefits of expanding your NBFC into a bank is gaining the ability to undertake banking activities that are otherwise restricted for an NBFC. Not only can your company accept deposits, set up savings and current bank accounts for your customers, but also issue credit cards and debit cards once you convert your NBFC into a bank. Further, your new bank can also file for IPO, that is initial public offering, as per the regulations by the SEBI. Once your NBFC becomes a bank, you can even venture out into insurance services conditional to the approval from the IRDA. Now let's see the option of turning an NBFC into a bank is suitable for which entities. First, this is the best expansion option for an NBFC that has multiple branches and directly engages with its customers. If your NBFC has achieved the needed asset size and capital requirements and has operations throughout the country, and your plan includes setting up physical operations steered by necessary technologies, then converting into a commercial bank is the right path for you. Further, if you plan to expand your branches across the country to execute your lending as well as banking operations, then converting into a bank is the right business model for your NBFC. Additionally, converting into a commercial bank is your best option if you wish to eliminate intermediaries between you and your customers and expand your customer base significantly. Let's now see what you need to achieve your vision of expanding your NBFC into a bank. The first and foremost requirement is to check your company's feasibility and prepare a feasibility report. You also need a comprehensive business plan to lay down your mission, vision, business objectives, financial plan, and operational strategy. After this, you need to comply with the requisite procedure and registration formalities with the RBI to convert your NBFC into a bank. And this is where Enterslice comes into the picture. Our BFSI experts will first guide you in the right direction to identify the best conversion path for you. Our experts will then provide you with end-to-end guidance to lay down a complete roadmap to ensure your feasibility for conversion, prepare your feasibility report, and design a detailed business plan to achieve your goal. From business analysis to conversion advisory, From RBI licensing to documentation, Enterslice will help you throughout your conversion journey. To begin your journey of converting your idea into reality, contact our business and finance experts on the contact details shown on the screen. We'll be releasing more such informative guides, so stay tuned and please subscribe to our channel.